Hello everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we're back today with another video. We're so happy to have you joining us, and we want to say thank you so much for subscribing. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't done so, please go right ahead and subscribe. I want to make you aware of something I've been able to get some information on. I've been asked many times about my torch. It's the Urban Crater torch with a push button ignition. I love it. However, it is not available anymore. I don't know where you can find it. I purchased mine on Amazon. It is no longer there. I've looked and looked everywhere I can possibly think of, and it doesn't appear to be on the market. I continue to look for a push button, and I've just found on Amazon this TBT smaller version of a torch. It is not as powerful, but it does have the push and release feature, which I absolutely love. So we're going to list that information in the description box below if you're interested. It's the TBT push button torch from Amazon. We have a 12 by 24 inch canvas today. We are going to use this canvas to do a Dutch pour on. I've already started with the foundational paint, which is the Blickrylic Mars Black. Let's take our blow dryer and blow that out. Okay, there we have it. We want to make sure we have all our sides and edges covered. And then we will pop the air bubbles. Get all these little areas where our canvas could be showing. Looks like we have something there. Uninvited guest. Okay, we have done a pretty good job at this point of laying down the foundational color, the Blickrylic Mars Black. We are going to be doing a Dutch pour today, and I am, you notice I've turned this so that I have a lot more ability to manage it this way, going from left to right across the canvas. Also, we were popping air bubbles and looking for any foreign debris, anything that could remotely interfere with our design. And we want to take and use our tweezers to remove anything that we may see. Could be paint. Most of it is dried paint or Floetrol. Happens occasionally. Just touching to make sure that there's nothing there. If you see that an area has what might appear to be an air bubble that doesn't seem to pop, It's very likely that's not an air bubble. It's very likely it could be an uninvited guest. And we are, let's see, do we have anything there? Okay. I think we have to have a pair of really fine tweezers handy so that you can take care of removing those uninvited guests when they appear. All right, so we are going to torch this again. And we're always looking for uninvited guests. It doesn't matter at what point in your process, because you don't want something to show up that interferes with the design. All right, that's not anything there. So we have our colors that we're going to be using today, which are metallics. And I am going to go crazy wild with the metallics today, I think. I want to do a design that allows for that to happen. And I'm going to share with you what these colors are before we do that. This is golden iridescent fine copper, golden iridescent fine pearl, Liquitex Basics burnt umber, and golden iridescent fine deep gold, Liquitex Basics bronze, some Liquitex Basics Argent silver, and haven't used this one in a while, but it's a DecoArt metallic 24 karat gold. Okay, so, and in our efforts to get a flow, I want to come down here in this direction and maybe extend out that way. Let's see what we can do here. All right. That was the burnt umber. This is the fine gold. This is the bronze. I actually think maybe we'll do some silver before we put that bronze in. Okay, then we'll do bronze. These are such beautiful colors. The entire group of metallics and pearls just are amazing. I probably should open this up a little more. We're giving a little tiny squeeze when we want a thicker squeeze of this. All right, that's the bronze. And then we have this 24 karat gold, which is unbelievably amazing. It will definitely cause for a cell explosion. I'm going to wrap back around with the, let's see, what do we want to wrap back around with? Maybe we'll do a little bit more of the brown. And we're going to take the black that we have for our base and just outline to ensure we have enough base paint for free movement of these colors, okay? Then we have our torch to pop these amazing air bubbles. And let's see what we can do to really make a beautiful design. Maybe we'll start here and move down in that direction. Well, there you have it. Simply beautiful. And the 24 karat gold is just going to absolutely stand out in a brilliant way because it is a brilliant color. Once the coat of resin gets on this, it will be super, super amazing. And the cells, they just keep developing. We're adding a little heat here that in fact helps it, but it's also, we're doing this to actually pop air bubbles. This is gorgeous. All right, we have our little Pana brand tool here, which we use to wipe underneath, to swipe so that this moving paint can come to rest. And we're going to swipe around underneath like so. And you do this several times so that that moving paint can come to rest. Oh, I'm loving all the richness of the colors in this one. You can see the copper and the bronze and the silver, the pearl, gold, 24 karat gold. Oh, all of these colors are just absolutely speaking out loud and clear. And we want to take and bring you in for a close-up, so let's hold on. All right, everyone, look at what we have here. Our beautiful close-up of this 12 by 24 inch canvas Dutch pour with all these stunning metallics and iridescent pearl colors. You can see the gorgeous cells from the 24 karat gold. There's lacing. There is lots of rich color from the copper, along with the bronze, along with the silver. It's merged in. There's gorgeous lacing there. So, so pretty. This is going to really look amazing with a coat of resin. Look at those cells there, all the way to the edge. I'm loving it. I hope you do too. This is so pretty. Each of these colors are speaking out loud and clear for themselves. So there you have it, our Dutch pour. We have a little glare from our studio light, but this is our Dutch pour on a 12 by 24 inch canvas with a black base and metallic colors. Let me know what you think in the comments. We always appreciate your feedback. And also, if you haven't done so, go ahead and like and subscribe here on YouTube and join us on our Facebook group, Acrylic Dutch Pour and More. We love to see you post your amazing creations there. That's where you want to friend me. If you want to friend me on Facebook, join me on Acrylic Dutch Pour and More. Until next time, keep loving your art. We'll see you on the next one. Bye now.